Okay, that's all I'm doing. No, wait.
He's like,
That's all I'm doing.
Lena.
Or more. Holy shit, that's a lot. Okay, okay! I don't think I can fit this many.
John, did you eat the sprinkles? No.
No, I didn't eat anything.
I love Ellen.
I know.
Oh.
Jesus, you're like flicking me all over the place. Okay, ready? What are you doing?
I don't want that many.
So you're gonna make me have this freaking. Screw you. They're sprinkled all over the place now. Okay, a second. Yeah.
Screw you.
Oh! It's like a rainbow in my mouth.
It's like Christmas in my mouth. It's like Christmas sprinkle. Cold. Did I mention that they're expired
A little bit.
by like 4 years?
Ew, it looks like vomit.
Are you done puking your guts up yet?
Yeah. I'll put these away since you can't reach.
Thanks.